हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इंग्लिश एसे के बारे में फॉर बीए स्टूडेंट्स। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज अ वर्ल्ड वाइड कर्स। इट इज recognized as the mother of countless ills. It encourages dishonesty, corruption and falsehood. It develops dark side of human character. There are different causes of unemployment like poverty, overpopulation, ineffective education system and industrial development. Similarly, there are various steps to check this giant problem. No doubt, the government is fully aware of this problem, but the quick remedies are needed to check this problem. Poverty is the main cause of this evil. Broadly speaking, it is difficult to expect truth, nobility and honesty from a person who cannot have 2 square meals a day. He loses sense of self-dignity as he has no sense of security. He is worried about his survival rather than morality. Therefore, poverty is a great danger to the state. The rapid growth of population is another cause of unemployment. Along with the growing population, this problem also developed. It demands a quick check. Unemployed people are always dangerous to the security of the state. It is better to employ people to dig holes and fill them rather than not to employ them at all. Our social system is another cause of unemployment. In our society, many depend upon few. It has been observed that majority of family members are dependents. This trend has given rise to unemployment. Unemployment has now become such a dangerous economic, social and political problem that it has endangered the security of the country. The law and order situation in the country has also been affected. Therefore, a complete program is required. First step should be to revise the social system of our country. More skilled persons can be trained to help their families. This would be a good help to remove unemployment. Conclusion: in the end, we can say that unemployment is a huge problem. It is a real danger for a country. We know its causes as well as remedies. Therefore, it becomes the constitutional obligation of the government to solve this problem as quickly as possible. तो दोस्तों, ये था अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इंग्लिश ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं। अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।